Now the next question. If Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, then how much money did she have in the beginning? She has some amount of money with her, and Chameli spent 75% of that. We don't know how much money she had. 75% of that money she spends, and the savings was rupees 600. This is how we should understand the question. Let rupees X be the total money she had in the beginning. Money spent was 70% of what she had, means X. That is the expenditure. Then savings, that is money left, is rupees 600. We know that savings is equal to money she had minus the money she spent, that is the expenditure. That is 600. It is given as rupees 600 left, means savings. Money she had is X. We have assumed it. Then expenditure, we found it as 75% of X. That is expenditure is money spent. X minus 75% of X. By solving this, we get X is equal to 2400. How? 600 is equal to X minus 75% is 7500 divided by 100 into X. And by observation, we can see that 75 and 100 are the multiples of 25. So 25 is the highest factor. If you divide 75 by 25, 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100. You should practice this because you will save time in your exams. We are left with 3 upon 4x, that is x minus 3 upon 4x. This is the subtraction of two algebraic like terms. How do you subtract them? By taking LCM. Here LCM is 4 and x upon 1. When there is no denominator for the whole number, 1 is always the denominator of the whole number. X upon 1 minus 3x upon 4. LCM is 4, therefore the denominator is 1 here. Multiply the numerator by 4 and this is 3. Multiply the numerator by 1. You will get 4x minus 3x divided by 4. And 4x minus 3x is always 1x because they are like terms and they are subtracted. We will get 1x upon 4, that is x upon 4. 600 into 4 will be x because 4 is transposed here. Transposed to the other side. 2400 is x, means Chameli had rupees 2400 in the beginning. Got it? So always savings are calculated from subtracting, savings are calculated by subtracting expenditure or the money spent from the money she had. Here money spent is 75% of x because we have assumed x as the total money she had in the beginning. And savings, it is given that rupees 600, means rupees 600 is left with her. By applying the formula, we find x as 2400. That is savings is equal to money she had minus money she spent or the expenditure. 600 is x minus 75% of x. By solving, we get x minus 3/4 x, that is x upon 4, and x is equal to 2400. Therefore, Chameli had rupees 2400 in the beginning.